Today, I'm going to talk about eggs. Hello, it's only me. Welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Reiko. I will show you how to cook eggs in 3 different Japanese ways. Let's get ready. 3 styles are sushi omelette, omelette with easy peasy rice, and fried eggs. So I'll start with the fried eggs. Right, so now it's a hot pan, heated hot pan, and put the oil, vegetable oil or olive oil is okay, and then make sure the pan is really hot. Can you see? Important thing is throw away the excess oil because we don't want to eat too much oil. Less oil, healthier. Crack the egg. 1, 2. Now today we are feeling a little bit fancy, so we're going to decorate one with a little spring onion and a little chili. The chili is quite hot, so not too much, just a little bit like that. Now, and then the next is the big difference. Japanese style, you steam cook it. Means pour the little white water and put the lid on. This means eggs is steam cooked and you're not using too much oil at all, right? So it's an extremely healthy way. It's ready. Look, this is literally less than a minute. Look. Right, I'm going to put it on the plate. Right, look. Japanese eat fried egg with little drop of soy sauce. Just like this. Oh, ho, ho, ho. This goes so well with just simple boiled rice for breakfast. Right, next is sushi omelette. So when you order sushi, there is always a little piece of Japanese egg omelette, which is quite a little bit sweet. Now the reason it's sweet omelette there is the sushi dish are all slightly salty because you dip in a soy sauce and eat it. This combination, different taste, sweetness with a little bit saltiness of another sushi goes very, very well. So I'll show you how to cook this omelette, but you can eat it for snack or party picks, very good. Or for your lunchbox, you can eat it in a lots of different way. Ingredients are 2 to 3 eggs, water, mirin, soy sauce, sugar, and Japanese stock dashi. Now dashi comes in a box like this. You can get it online very easily and check up the link below. Crack the egg. 1, 2, and 3. Put the all ingredients, water, mirin, soy sauce, and then sugar, and then dashi. Mix it. An important thing here is that we want to make a very smooth egg, right? So we don't want any little bits. So just mix it, but we don't want the bubble. Just very smoothly, but break up these little egg yolk and egg white and make a very smooth egg, all right? Right, so put the oil in a pan. This pan is a Japanese sushi omelette pan. You can get online easily or check out the link below and then get rid of the excess oil. As you probably know by now, Japanese try not to eat minimum oil. Right, now they pour the egg about a third into this pan and wait until it's almost cooked. Turn with this way. Basically, you're making a roll. You're rolling with this and put it in one side in the pan. Okay, and then pour another third into the empty part of the pan and wait for another couple of minutes till the egg is almost cooked. And then when it's almost done, right, roll it and then make sure you roll it to the side and then put the last egg and repeat the same thing again. Now Japanese sushi omelette is ready. I'll show you how to slice it. Easy peasy. Now this end bit isn't terribly pretty, so I'll slice it like that. Looks really good. So this I told you is good for the lunch box or party nibbles, like that. Very pretty. Right, so this is Japanese sushi omelette. Right, we are nearly there. The final one is Japanese omelette with easy peasy rice. Okay, and then Japanese call this omurice, which means omelette and rice together, omurice, right? And so the ingredients are, these are for the rice, garden pea, very ripe tomato, and salt. And then the egg bit is 2 eggs per person, milk, cheddar cheese, and teacup like this. And also, if you've got a rice cooker, it makes your life so easy, okay? And if you're going to cook Japanese recipe regularly, I really strongly recommend to get the rice cooker. You can go online or check up the link below. And if you haven't got it, I'll show you what to do, okay? Let's get started. The last bit. I washed the rice thoroughly. Washing the rice thoroughly is extremely important, so please check my YouTube, another Japanese, how to cook Japanese rice. Now, the quantity of water is, look here. This is 1 go, ichi go. So usually you put the water up to this, right? But we are going to put the tomato, garden pea, which both has got liquid. So I put a lot less water. Okay, so about 3 millimeter lower, right? And then put the tomato in the middle, and then the garden pea around. Looks already pretty. And then the pinch of salt, and then all you need is just putting in a machine, put the lid on, and then put the switch. Right, so if you haven't got a rice cooker, you put all the ingredients into the saucepan, put the lid on, leave it for 10 minutes so that rice soaks the water and becomes soft, and turn the gas on to the highest. Cook for 1 or 2 minutes until the water starts bubbling. Lower the heat as soon as the water starts bubbling and cook further 20 minutes. And then turn the gas off and leave it for 10 minutes. Now rice is cooked. Let's open it and mix it. Ooh, this looks good. Look. Mix it like that. Now, Japanese people do mix with tomato ketchup, not fresh tomato like this. But I thought fresh tomato is a lot more nicer, healthier, fresher. Gives a really fresh taste. Pinch of salt again for taste, and then mix it again. Okay, so the rice is ready. Now egg bit is mixed with milk, cheddar cheese, pinch of salt, and then a pepper, and mix the egg, and then pour it in a teacup like this with a cling film around. Eggs in, so loosely, bring the cling film up, loosely fasten it. And then all you need is microwave it. It's 600 watts for 30 seconds first. If you cook the egg for so many minutes, and it gets really hard, so take it out for every 30 seconds, mix it with the raw egg and cooked part, put it back again, and then take it out another 30 seconds later, and repeat that process until you get the nicely, softly cooked egg. I think it is cooked, so let's make it pretty. Put the rice in the cup, another cup like this, so it makes a nice shape. Press, right, and then put it on the plate. Actually, plate first, and then upside down. And wait for wait for 10 seconds so that it steams out this around the cup, and it's very easy to get the shape. Ooh, nice, huh? And then let's just flatten a little bit, okay, the top, so that egg sits nicely on top, right? And then this egg, okay, now put it upside down. Oh, voila! Aha. And then Japanese eat omurice with tomato ketchup. So let's just put the tomato ketchup. Okay, and then let's make it a bit more pretty. All right, right. So this is Japanese omurice, which is a omelette, Japanese omelette with easy peasy rice. So this is 3 Japanese egg style. I hope you try it. I hope you try it. I hope you try it. Try. You try. Please try. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm releasing new recipe every Friday, so please make sure you tune in and subscribe.